Hi! Welcome to Cooking Simply Delicious. While sushi has been conquering the world over several decades, another traditional food with raw fish has become one of the trendiest seafood options around. This citrusy, light, and refreshing dish originated in Central and South America, but has now spread to become popular in many places throughout the world. Ceviche is probably the most signature dish of Peruvian cuisine. Let's begin with leche de tigre. Literally, tiger's milk is the citrus-based spicy marinated used to cure the fish in classic Peruvian ceviche. This is Peru's secret weapon in any of their raw seafood preparations. Let's start with 3 medium freshly squeezed limes. Next, let's add black pepper and 3 cloves of garlic, mash, followed by a bunch of cilantro stems, mince, Next, let's prepare 1 red chili pepper. Moving on, let's prepare 1/2 pound whitefish fillets. I use tilapia, as fresh as possible. Cut on the bias into 1-inch dice, a bite size. A pinch of salt. And after, let's add into our tiger's milk. Let's sit until the fish begins to cure. Meanwhile, let's prepare quarter an onion and slice thinly. A pinch of salt. Mix well together. To put it simply, leche de tigre, tiger's milk, is the juice of ceviche. It is a zesty mixture of the fish, the lime, the onion, and the red chili pepper combining to create a unique and flavorful liquid. To finish up, 1 cob of steamed sweet corn. And garnish with sweet potato, fried or boiled. Then, let's add the sweet corn. And also finely chopped cilantro. And it's ready! Raw fish? Doesn't sound too appealing. Well, technically, it is not really raw anymore. A great ceviche is a perfectly composed mix of flavors, ranging from spicy to sour, and texture from soft to tender to crisp. It is a great representation of what Peruvian cuisine gets right, using native ingredients, the fish, the chilies, the sweet potatoes that don't seem to go together to create a dish that totally works. Let's try it. That is Cooking Simply Delicious. Thank you for watching. For more cooking and simply delicious recipes, don't forget to subscribe. Till next time.